YouTube turned on. And once I do, we'll be ready to go. And it looks like it's on, so we'll go ahead and get started. Court calls State of Texas versus Augustine Castro. This is cause number 2024 CC 739402. We're here today for a plea. We're conducting the hearing using the Zoom application. We're also using YouTube to live stream the proceedings so it's open to the public. My name is Judge Jefferson Moore. I'm sitting by assignment in the Bexar County Jail Court, specifically for County Court Law number 1. And if we could have the attorneys make appearances, starting with the State of Texas, please.
Mia Carranza for the state.
Matthew Brown for the defense.
Sir, are you the same Augustine Castro charged by information with evading arrest or detention? Is that you, sir?
Yes.
I'm going to use a function of Zoom called Share Screen. I'm going to show you some documents. The first one is the defendant's consent to plea by video conference. I'm using my cursor to circle around an electronic signature. Is this yours?
Yes.
I sign this, you're telling me two things. One, you understand that normally we do pleas we do pleas live and in person, but that with your signature here, you're consenting to do this plea by video conference. Did you understand that when you signed this?
Yes, I did.
And secondly, your electronic signature here, as well as all of the electronic signatures in the packet in front of me today, you're telling me that those are valid as if they were personally signed. Did you understand that before you sign this?
Yes, I did.
I approve the consent. I make it a part of the record. Scrolling down to another document. It's called the Court's Admonishments. It's 2 pages. And are you familiar with this document?
Yes, I am.
Did you go over this with your attorney?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand it?
Yes, I did.
On page 2 is electronic signature. I'm using my cursor to circle. Is this yours?
Yes, it is.
I'm going to get out of share screen. By signing the Court's admonishments, you're telling me that you understand the Court's admonishments and that you understand the rights that are contained within it. Is that true?
Yes, it's true.
And that you're going to give up those rights. Is that true?
Yes, it is.
The rights you're going to give up is you have the right to a trial by jury. You have a right to confront the witnesses against you. You also have the right to remain silent, which includes the right not to incriminate yourself and not plead today. Did you understand that before you signed this?
Yes, I did.
By signing this, you're also telling me you understand the consequences of a plea and the sentencing range of the offense, which is anywhere up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand that before you signed this?
I did.
I approve the waivers that are contained within the Court's admonishments. I make them part of the record. State, can you recite the plea agreement for me, please?
$0 fine, court costs, 11 days in the Bexar County Jail with credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent. We ask for that judgment to be satisfied. We'd also like to take into consideration cause number 2024 CC 739456, which is a resisting arrest case.
Mr. Brown, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then Mr. Castro, is that your understanding of the agreement as well?
Yes, it is.
Mr. Castro, I'm not bound by the plea bargain. I do not have to follow it. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
But if I do follow the plea bargain, then you lose your right to appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
And that's true unless I grant you permission to appeal or unless certain motions were filed and ruled upon. Do you understand that?
Yes, I do.
Counsel, any such rulings in this case?
No, Your Honor.
I do not follow the plea bargain. I'll allow you to withdraw the plea and we'll proceed to trials if this hearing never occurred. Do you understand that?
Yes. I do.
Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, I am.
If not, then a plea of guilty or no contest to the offense could have serious adverse effects on your immigration status. Counsel, do you believe that your client has a factual, rational understanding of the charge pending against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's been able to assist you in the defense?
Yes, he has.
You believe he's mentally competent to waive rights and enter a plea here today?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Mr. Castro, to the offenses listed on your information, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Do you understand you can still be found guilty under a no contest plea
Yes, I do.
other than the plea bargain? Did anyone promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No,
Did anyone force you or coerce you to plead today?
no,
After going over this case with your attorney, do you believe that pleading here today is in your best interest?
yes,
I find your plea is freely, intelligently, and voluntarily made, and that you're mentally competent to enter into such a plea, and I find you guilty, sir. Counsel, is there any legal reason as to why your client cannot be sentenced today?
No, Your Honor.
Being no legal reason, in accordance with the agreement of the state, sir, I'll sentence you to 11 days in the Bexar County Jail. I'll give you credit for time served. There is a $0 fine in court costs. The time and money will run concurrent. And taken in consideration is 2024 CC 739456, resisting arrest, and I'll make this judgment satisfied as well. Sir, there's a plea bargain case. I filed the plea bargain, so you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You do not have the right to appeal. I'm making a certification of this for the record, and will provide a copy of the certification to your attorney to provide to you. And can I have the attorneys put on the record the status of discovery acknowledgements?
I believe it was sent and signed, Your Honor.
Oh, I've got it in my inbox, Judge. I can sign that. I'm sorry.
All right, well, let's go ahead. We'll finish that up and we'll finish up with the hearing as well. This matter is now concluded. Thank you, Mr.